Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are diving into something seriously exciting. We're going to walk step by step through building a fully automated, absolutely free WhatsApp AI CRM system. This is a total game changer for any business that wants to scale up their communication without blowing up their budget. It's going to be a fun one. I mean, just picture this for a second. What if your WhatsApp worked tirelessly 24/7 as your ultimate employee? Imagine an AI agent that doesn't just shoot back auto replies, but actually understands customer queries, books appointments on the spot, and seamlessly saves all that crucial data automatically into your database day and night. It sounds like one of those crazy expensive enterprise software packages, right? But it's really not. Right now, you essentially have two paths. On one hand, you've got third-party APIs. You might be dropping thousands of dollars every single month on these. And worse, you run a super high risk of getting your WhatsApp account banned entirely. But our approach today, we're using the official Meta API. That means zero cost and zero ban risk. You get complete safety and total control. So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the free WhatsApp AI system, then tackle the code and Supabase setup. After that, we configure the Meta API, set up webhooks using ngrok, and finally, check out a real-world AI demo. Part 1, Free WhatsApp AI System. Open source solutions for smart businesses. Oh, and real quick before we get our hands dirty with the code, if you're finding this kind of technical breakdown helpful, definitely make sure to subscribe to Vimatech. It's the best way to ensure you don't miss out on any of our future developer guides and AI explainers. All right, part 2, code and Supabase setup. Preparing your local environment. The absolute best part about using an open source solution is that you don't have to write the foundational code from scratch. Step 1 is super easy. Just grab the project link and clone the GitHub repository right into your IDE. Next, fire off a standard npm install command in your terminal. It's incredibly developer-friendly, and once that's done, your .env.local file just generates automatically for you. Okay, next up, we need a database, and we're going with Supabase. You'll hop over to their website, spin up a free project, and grab 3 vital things: your project URL, your anon key, and your service role key. Just drop those straight into that newly created environment file. Then, to get your database tables set up, head over to your Supabase SQL editor. You literally just copy the provided migration code from file 1, paste it, hit run, and repeat that for files 2 and 3. In a matter of seconds, your entire database architecture is good to go. To wrap up the local setup, run a quick command provided in the project to generate a secure encryption key and paste that into your environment file too. Now, boot up your local server by typing npm run dev in the terminal. When you pull up localhost 3000 in your browser, boom, your CRM is alive. Just click sign in, create your admin account, confirm your email via Supabase, and you are officially inside your own private, locally hosted CRM dashboard. The foundation is officially laid. Moving on to part 3. Meta API configuration, connecting to official Facebook tools. So once you log in to the Meta developer portal, you'll create a new app, and specifically choose the option to connect with customers through WhatsApp. Meta actually gives you a test phone number right out of the gate, which is awesome. From this dashboard, you need to grab a couple of key pieces of info: your phone number ID and your WhatsApp business account ID. You'll also need to dig into the basic settings to reveal and copy your temporary access token and your app secret. Keep these safe. They're essentially the digital keys to the castle that allow your local CRM to talk securely to Facebook's servers. Part 4, webhooks using ngrok, bridging local servers to the internet. Let's take a second to break down exactly what a webhook is. Think of it like a digital bridge. When a customer sends a message to your WhatsApp number, Meta has to notify your CRM immediately. The webhook acts as that bridge, letting Meta send those real-time message events over to you. But here's the catch. Since your project is currently locked away on your local machine, Meta literally can't see it. It needs a public address. And that is exactly where ngrok steps in. If you have ngrok installed, just open up a new terminal window and run ngrok http 3000. ngrok works its magic, and instantly you cross that barrier from local to public. It generates a secure, public HTTPS URL that points straight back to your local machine. You just take this new public URL and paste it directly into the callback URL section inside your Meta developer portal. To lock this entire connection together, we do a quick digital handshake. Over in your CRM's WhatsApp configuration page, paste in those IDs and the access token you snagged earlier. You'll also create a custom verify token. It can be any phrase you want, like test app. Then take that exact same phrase,
type it into the Verify token field back on the Meta platform, and hit Verify. And just like that, your CRM and the official WhatsApp servers are fully integrated and chatting in real time.
Finally, Part 5, Real-World AI Demo, Healthcare Agent in Action. This brilliantly illustrates the actual brain of our AI. Right inside the CRM, you have the ability to train your AI agent. For this example clinic, we fed the system very specific business data: general clinic info, contact details, a list of available doctors, and their real-time appointment slots. Because the AI has all this rich context, it doesn't just spit out generic robotic answers. It provides perfectly accurate, business-specific responses to every single patient. Let's walk through the flow of how this actually looks. In a matter of seconds, a patient messages the clinic's WhatsApp number. The AI instantly processes this and suggests available doctor slots. A couple of minutes later, the patient replies to lock in a time. Then, literally within seconds, the CRM not only confirms the booking with the patient on WhatsApp, but it automatically extracts the patient's data and logs the appointment directly into your Supabase database. We're talking completely hands-free lead management and workflow automation, letting you focus on the actual business. Now, once you're done testing locally and you're happy with it, the absolute best part is that you can deploy this entire powerful system for free on platforms like Vercel, making it permanently live on the internet. Actually, taking this from localhost to a live production environment on Vercel would make a fantastic topic for a future explainer. We've covered a ton of ground today. We've seen exactly how you can bypass expensive third-party tools by building your own official AI-powered WhatsApp CRM. Please remember to subscribe to Vemitech so you don't miss our next deep dive. But before we go, I want to leave you with a question to chew on. Armed with this open source code and the official Meta API, how are you going to customize this powerful, zero-cost AI system to completely revolutionize your own business today? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy building.